It's very simple, it's very easy, and it's so delicious. You're going to love it. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises Exclusive. If you don't know me, I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience, the last 5 years doing plant-based cooking, and I've been doing it ever since. Today's video, we're going to make tortillas. Yes, no any kind of tortillas, the best tortillas. So right now I'm gonna use one tortilla press. If you don't know what is this a tortilla press. Dough and press and ta-da, tortilla. It's not necessary. If you don't have one, you don't need to buy one. You can make it with your hand. Put a little press over, a little of pressure, and you need to push, you need to smash, you need to make it flat. So also, but this is important, you have to buy this beauty corn flour. So I hope you get this idea. And also you can eat it by itself. Right now I have a little of leftover of this spaghetti. I made one recipe. If you haven't seen this video, you're gonna love it. This is very easy. I had the video of how to make a spaghetti squash, but this is the leftover of my spaghetti. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to saute a little bit those mushrooms and these beauty chayote squash flowers. If you haven't tried those, you should buy a little. And I have a bunch. I can give you a little bit. If you were here in California in Thousand Oaks today, close, I can bring some to you. But anyway, let's make this recipe. Orale! 1 cup of Masa Harina corn flour. Organic, eh? Organic. Oh no, I forget it. I almost forget this. So amigos, then 1 cup of Masa Harina or corn flour, and I'm gonna add something like 1/2 to 3/4 of cup of warm water, and also a little bit of sea salt. Okay, everything looks good. Right now it's warm, this water. So right here is 1 cup. So right now it's time to make my dough. Just go slowly, Ulysses, go slowly. Amigos, you don't need one surface. A flat surface and a little flour on the bottom. Just you need 1 bowl. It's easy. Use or handle this Masa Harina. Just mix all together. Right now, if you see, it's too dry. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of water. Alright, it's perfect. Right now I'm gonna handle with 2 hands. Just make sure mix all together very well, that there is not any dry flour. So amigos, if you notice, it's a smooth texture. So right now it's perfect. Pulir and cerrar. So amigos, I have 1 dough right here, and I'm gonna divide. I'm gonna try to make it the same size. Yes, the same size. This is what I was talking. If you don't have 1 tortilla press, parchment paper or baking paper. Also, it's better when you're using a little bit of plastic, but I have no plastic right here. I'm gonna use this parchment paper and keep pressing a little bit. Also, if you have 1 roll, use it. Use it a little bit. Try to make sure make it thin. Make sure put a little bit of press over there. Yes, but also, this is not like kind of tortilla. This is not like circle, but make sure doing that. Also, when you're using plastic, you can see the shape of your tortilla. But right now, it's not really difficult to see the shape, and it shouldn't be perfect. Right now it's flat, right now it's thin, and we're going to cook that. And also, I'm gonna show you with the tortilla press. Mexico. Put right here in the middle, cover that, And let's do some magic. Ta-da! So right now, amigos, it's time to cook our tortillas. Amigos, medium high heat pan. Ta-da-dee. So amigos, once it's hot, it's not necessary added oil. So a couple minutes, once you see it's hot, flip it. There is different kind of made tortillas. I mean, sometimes people added many water and they made it too thin. And this is one way made it thick. It's not a big deal. Oh my God, it's perfect. Eating by itself is delicious. So then, amigos, I'm going to reheat my spaghetti sauce. So amigos, just make sure cook enough your tortillas from one side for flip it on the other side and cook enough. Try to don't burn it, and also it's your choice, made it thick or made it thin. So for me it's good, made it whatever. I mean, by itself that taste is delicious. But also right now I have my tortillas ready and I'm gonna saute a little bit those mushroom and also my chayote squash flowers with a little olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. My spaghetti sauce leftover is ready. I already reheated. So a little olive oil, my mushroom. I'm gonna share it a little bit of salt and black pepper. Where's my black pepper actually? Amigos, I already sauteed my mushroom. Right now I'm gonna saute my chayote squash flower. Yes, a little bit of that. This is too big. I'm gonna cut it half. Nice. A little bit of salt and pepper. So amigos, just remember it's very easy to make some tortillas at home. I mean, right now I'm gonna make 2 tacos with those beauty tortillas. And also, if you see, I already saute a little bit of mushroom, but also you can saute any other veggies. I mean, right now is what I have, and I'm working with the veggies that were in my fridge. I mean, I'm working with leftover. I don't really like to waste anything. And also, if you see, or if you don't know how to make one salsa, let me know in the comments. I can make one video for you. But this is the leftover of one spaghetti squash. Oh my God, my tortillas are still hot. Those are still hot. So right now I'm gonna plate it. Okay, amigos. Look at this beauty. A little bit of salsa. Also, you can add any kind of beans. I love those kind with refried beans. A little bit of mushrooms. Yes, baby. Something important and delicious. Something delicious. The extra. You can cut it, you can chop it, you can saute it, you can steam it, you can boil it, you can do many things with this. I mean, amigos, I hope you really get this idea. You're gonna love it. This tortillas, wow, those tacos. All is optional. How you can decorate any other ingredient that you want to add it. Look at this. This was left over. Look at this. So amigos, just remember one thing. Just remember that it's very easy to make your homemade tortillas. It's very simple. You won't waste anything. Just a little bit of masa harina, I mean corn flour, or also you can eat it with your simple salsa. I mean with any other veggies. It's very simple, it's very easy, and it's so delicious. You're going to love it. For sure, you're gonna love it. If you really like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe. And take care. I really appreciate if you stay until this part of the video. I really appreciate you know how I feel. I mean, not for you, for my tortilla.